Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: for each loop in Java program. So what is this for each loop? How to use this loop and what is the speciality of for each loop? We'll try to understand this with a small program. So coming to for each loop, okay. So it is a new loop in Java program. So in Java programming, it is a new loop which is introduced by Java programming. Okay, so this loop mainly works on collection of data or group of data. Okay, so wherever you have collection of data or group of data, then we can use this for each loop. Okay, so collection of data means we can use it on arrays, because array is a collection of data of same data type, or we can also use collections. So collections means like we can use array list, we can use something like vector, we can use something like stack, etc. Okay, so collections object. So we can use for each loop on a collection of data. So what is the syntax to work with for each loop? So the syntax goes like this: for is the keyword used here. Okay, so we are going to use for is the keyword used. So syntax goes like this: for followed by data type, variable name, colon, we have to pass here array or collection, and then body of the for loop. Okay, right. So how this loop is executed? Okay, so this loop is executed based on number of elements. Okay, so based on number of elements available in array or collection. Okay, right. So let us try to take a small example here. So example goes like this. So let us say that you have an array int a, integer array, and you have some set of values here like 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Okay, so how to use for each loop on this array of elements? So the loop goes like this: for, let us take a loop variable int x, colon, pass array name here a. Okay, right. So for our understanding, we'll take this as arr. Okay, right. And then here we can use x here in body. Right. So what is the first element of array? The first element of array is 11. 11 is assigned to x, and then loop is executed. Next, what is the second element? 22. So 22 is assigned to x, and then loop is executed. Next, 33 assigned to x, body of the loop is executed. Next, 44 assigned to x, body of the loop is executed. Next, 55 assigned to x, and body of the loop is executed. So depending on, okay, so depending on number of elements in array or collection, the loop body is executed. Okay, so loop body is executed. So we have 5 elements, hence loop is executed 5 times. If you have 10 elements, loop is executed 10 times. If we have 100 elements, then loop is executed 100 times. Okay, and next important point here, each time, okay, one value from array or collection is assigned to loop variable. Okay, so what is a loop variable here? X. So each time one value from array or collection is assigned to loop variable, like first time 11, second time 22, 33, 44, 55. So these are assigned to the loop variable X. Okay, right? And then here we can use, okay, the loop variable X inside the body of loop. So we can use that inside the body of loop. So use X variable here in the body of the loop. So this is how for each loop is a special type of loop which is designed in Java programming for array or collection of data. So each time one value is assigned to the loop variable, body is executed, and inside the body of the loop variable, we can body of the for loop, for each loop, we can use the loop variable X. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. We'll take this as for each loop example1 dot java. Okay, so program to demonstrate for each loop. So we'll use arrays concept and also we'll use collections concept also. So we'll see two examples in the same program. So take a new page. First write the comments. Right, so class. Okay. So for each loop, example 1. Right. So this is the main class. So we'll write public static void main string of args. Right. So for each loop example 1. So let us try to save this program in our working directory. Right. So save it as for each loop example1 dot java. So program execution starts with main method. So initially we'll take an array here with a set of values, array initialization 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Okay, we'll take one extra value 66. Okay, so let us try to display this array values using for each loop. Okay, so array values using for each loop. So the keyword is for. We have to compulsory declare the data type inside the for each loop parameter body only. Int x pass array here. Right. So here we'll say simply system dot out dot println x value. So each time one value from the array is assigned to x variable and x value is displayed in the for each loop body. Right. So let us try to compile and run this. So come to the command prompt, go to your working directory and then compile the program javac for each loop example1 dot java. Compile it. Okay, so we have an array here. Right, so array is represented using square brackets. So give the square brackets and initialize the set of the values. Right, so recompile it and then no error, run it. Java for each loop example 1. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So these are values of an array which are displayed using for each loop. So depending upon the number of elements in the array, 6 elements, for each loop is executed 6 times. And each time one value from the array is assigned to the loop variable, and loop variable can be used inside the body of the for each loop. Okay, let us take one more example. Let us take array list. Okay, right. So in array list, I want to store strings, array list object, new array list. Okay, and give it as string. Okay, so generic array list. So array list dot add. I want to add some names here. Sai. Next, second name Ram. Third name Ali. Fourth name John. And fifth name something like Anu. Okay, so we have 5 names here. So system dot out dot println will print the array list. Now since we are using array list here, import the package java dot util dot star. Okay, right. So save this program, come to the command prompt. Okay, and then recompile, no error, run it. So these are the values of array list which we are displaying directly through array list object AL. Okay, now we are going to display the values of array list using Foreach loop. Okay, so array list collection. So array list collection values using Foreach loop. So here we'll take for string ss, pass the array list object here AL, and then display ss. So first time ss contains Sai, second time Ram, Ali, John, Anu. So each time one value from the array list is assigned to ss variable of the Foreach loop, and we are executing the body of the Foreach loop by displaying the values using ss variable. So let us try to recompile the program. Right, no error, run it. So these are the values of array list using Foreach loop. So this is how we are supposed to work with for each loop in Java program. So this loop is specially designed for arrays or collection of elements like collection framework objects. So loop is executed depending upon number of elements in an array or collection, and each time one value is assigned to the loop variable and body is executed. And inside the body of the loop variable we can use the inside the body of the for each loop we can use the loop variable. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.